got the Finish Max Extra. I'm excited about this tool because I already have the Finish Max for furniture. I have the stain sprayer and I also have the heavy duty sprayer, but this one has it all in one. Let me give you a closer look at what it can do. It's got some flow adjustment right here. We've got several different tips that come with it, but there are also more available. We've also got easy access to cleaning the filter here at the back, and a bigger canister with a lid, so when you're in between jobs you can store it. A lot to show you. Let me show you what else. The Finish Max Extra comes with 2 air cap nozzles. You've got your black air cap nozzle that gives you a fine spray pattern. It's used for furniture cabinets, anything requiring a fine finish. It also comes with a yellow air cap nozzle, which would give you a wide spray pattern. It's used for things like decks, fences, your large projects. The tips that it does come with are the blue that you would use for your stains and polyurethane. It gives a 1 to 6 inch spray pattern fine finish for your furniture and your woodworking projects. Then it's got the green that would be for your latexes, your chalk paints, your milk type paints, for furniture and cabinets. Both of those would use the black air cap nozzle. That's the one I'm going to use today, along with the blue for my staining. It also comes with the red that you would use with the yellow air cap nozzle that you would use on your walls, your ceilings, your decks, fences for your primers and latex paint. So let me show you how to put this all together. Okay, like I mentioned, I'm going to be staining our furniture for our fire pit, so I'm using the black air nozzle with the blue tip. Let me show you how to insert it. First, we remove the ring in the nozzle, this part here. We're going to stick the little part on first, using the wrench that's provided on this divot right here. Tighten it down. Don't want to over tighten it. Then you put on your blue tip. Hand tighten it first. Again, using the wrench on the other end, then tighten it down, but don't overdo it. Then you're going to reinsert your parts. Using the black nozzle. And put the ring back on. There you go. Right, I'm going to fill the canister, and I'm using the Behr semi-transparent waterproofing wood stain that we used on our patio picnic table. It's in chocolate, but I'm going to pour it through this thrifted strainer because it is a little old and it's got some skimmings in there, and you don't want that to clog your sprayer. I'm going to fill it about halfway full just to give me enough to work with. Okay, one more thing before we get started. You can practice on cardboard, newspaper, scrap of wood to control your flow, to make sure you get it to the right way you want it to be. You have your horizontal and vertical settings here. You can practice how you want that to work based on what you're doing. When you're spraying, you want to keep the machine straight. You don't want to use your wrist. Try to use your shoulder to go up and down. You also want to wear protection, either a respirator or a dust mask like this will help. You got goggles, protect your eyes, and ear protection if you prefer. This particular machine is not that loud, but some of them can be, so just do what you know to keep yourself safe. Let's get started. Waited for the first one to cure, then did a second based on the manufacturer's instructions. Sometimes I use other products like Thompson's Water Seal. It takes one coat and then you're done. Just depends. But I'm ready to clean up. I've got some soapy water here and spray it through, spray it clean. Take my parts apart out here, scrub with the brush provided. Clean up's pretty quick and easy. But that's the Finish Max Extra with the different tips, and I hope you enjoy.